we discussed in the last session?
Statistics.
Statistics. How many examples we discussed? How many examples did we discuss about data, determinant?
Mean, median, mode.
Can you check the notes? How many examples we discussed?
We have discussed determinant.
Yeah.
Determinate.
Tell all the examples, whatever we discussed. All the examples. Math 1.5.
Yes, sir.
Math 1.5. In a math 1.5, see the first one. What is the first one?
Mean or average.
We discussed about deviation.
Deviation.
We discussed about
Standard deviation.
we discussed about standard deviation, and we discussed about
Variance.
Range.
Variance also we discussed variance.
Yes, sir.
Next one we discussed about range.
Yes, sir.
Range also we discussed. Next one we discussed about median. Median.
Yes, sir.
Next one, what is the another
Mode.
Mode also we discussed. Next one, what we discussed?
Determinate.
Determinant. Next one, what we discussed? Logarithm also. Logarithm also we discussed. Here, these many number of examples we discussed. Now, and one more example, correlation. So, what is correlation? I will let you know what is correlation. Correlation. The relationship between two variables. Anil garu. The relationship between two variables. The relationship between two variables, technically we can call correlation. For example, here study hours. Study hours. Next one, and here we have the marks. One, if student studied 1 hour, the student studied 1 hour, he will get 50 marks. If the student studied 2 hours, he will get 60 marks. He will get 60 marks. If the student studied 3 hours, he will get what? He will get 70 marks. See this one. If a variable 1 increases, variable 2 also increases or not? Variable 2 also increases or not? Respond. If a variable 1 increases, variable 2 also increases. Then this one we can call positive correlation. This one what we call? This one we can call positive correlation. Next one. See the another thing here. One more thing. For example, Insta or YouTube or Reels. Here also marks. Then if the student watched 1 hour Insta, how many marks he will get? He will get just 50 marks. If the student watched 2 hours, how many marks he will get? He will get 40 marks or not? He will get 40 marks. If the student watched 3 hours, how many marks he will get it? He will get only 30 marks. See this one. If a variable 1 increases, variable 2 decreases or not? Variable 2 decreasing or not? Respond. So variable 1 increases. If a variable 1 increases, variable 2 decreasing. Then this one we can call negative correlation. This one what we call? This one we can call negative correlation. Yes or not? What is positive correlation? What is positive correlation? If a variable 1 increases, respond. If a variable 1 increases, variable 2 also
Decreases.
Increases.
If a variable 1 increases, variable 2 also increases. Then the positive correlation. What is the negative correlation? If a variable 1 increases, variable 2
Decreases.
Variable 2 decreases. Then that one we can call negative correlation. Fine. Team. I think sometimes variables are independent. No relation. Sometimes variables are independent. No relationship between variable 1 and variable 2. At that time, correlation is the 0. Correlation is what? Respond. Correlation is the 0. Fine. The correlation value varies from -1 to +1. The correlation value varies from -1 to +1. So what is -1? Negative correlation na? Yes or not? What is the 0? No correlation na? What is 1? Positive correlation.
Positive correlation.
Ria, if anyone asks you in the machine learning, what is correlation? What is your answer?
-1 to 1.
What is your answer? If anyone asking you, what is correlation in machine learning? What is your answer? The relationship
-1
between the relationship between two variables are
to
the relationship between two variables we can call correlation. Yes or not? What is positive correlation? What is positive correlation? Answer it in
when column 1 value decreases,
variable. If a variable one increases,
variable
Variable
2
also.
also increases.
that is
Variable 2 also increases.
Positive.
I'll gotta respond. What is negative correlation?
If column 1 increases, column 2 decreases.
Variable 2 also decreases.
Participate చేయాలండి అందరూ participate చేయాలండి everyone. Anil garu, please unmute yourself. Participate here. Hussein, so many classes are missed na? No issue na? One say this one. If a variable one increases.
Yeah.
So, yeah, did you watch the videos, Hussein? So many classes are missed.
Yes, yes. Last 3 classes I missed. I have gone through all the videos
Yeah,
because
just
I will be having for meetings from 9 to 10:30. That is the issue.
got it.
Yeah, yeah.
What
Thank
is
you.
what is a negative correlation?
When
What is
variable 1 decreases,
if a
variable 2 also
variable one,
decreases.
if a variable one increases, variable two,
Decreases.
what is the negative correlation? What is zero correlation? What is the zero correlation?
Independent of each
Sometimes
other.
variables are independent.
No
Variable 1
relationship between variables. No relationship between variables. We can call zero correlation. Yes or not? Fine. Now, can I go to the one example? Venkat, can I go to? Yes, sir. Venkat, check it whether the NumPy imported or not. We need to check NumPy module. Fine. How to import NumPy? How to import NumPy?
import numpy
as NP.
as np.
అనిల్ గారు పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయండి అండి, నథింగ్ విల్ హ్యాపన్ అండి. ఏది మనల్ని మించిపోతే ఏది పోదండి. అందరికి 1 hour పెడితే మనకు 1.5 hour అండి. అనిల్ గారు పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయండి క్లాస్ లో. పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయండి, నథింగ్ అండి, నథింగ్ విల్ హ్యాపన్. ఇంపోర్ట్ numpy as numpy. టీమ్, హౌ టు నావిగేట్ టు వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫోల్డర్ నేమ్?
Statistic.
What is the folder? Statistics na? The folder name is the statistics. How to navigate to statistics? CD space statistics na? Statistics. How to download? How to download NumPy?
Pip
How to
install.
download NumPy? Anyone? How to download NumPy?
Pip install.
Install
NumPy.
NumPy. How to download pandas?
PND.
Yes, we need to download the pandas also. Pip install NumPy and pip install pandas also. 2 libraries we imported here. Fine. Yeah. Ravindra garu, let me take the study hours. How to take the study hours? Study hours equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one. Let me take the marks also. Marks equal to. Let me take the marks here. Marks equal to 20, 20, 40, 60, 60, 80. Next one is the 100. Next one is the 100. Is it a positive correlation or
Yes.
negative correlation?
Positive correlation.
Positive correlation here. Fine. Now, how to handle here? NP dot, try to say this one here. Here we have one predefined function. Coefficient. Correlation coefficient. Here we need to pass variable 1 and variable 2. Let me pass the variable 1. Variable 1. Let me pass the variable 2. And here we have another variable. Which variable? Variable 2. How many variables we need to pass? 2 variables we need to pass. And catch the correlation. We need to pass the correlation here. And print the correlation. Whatever the correlation is there, that correlation we need to print. How to print the correlation? How to print the correlation? Here we need to print the correlation here. Run the code. We should be in a position we need to run the code. How to run the code? Python. Python.
math1.5.
Yeah. Say this one here. Say team. Say this one. First one representing. I think maybe the NumPy giving like this. The NumPy library giving like this. You may ask, sir, out of 4 values, which value representing the correlation? First value representing the correlation. How to read the first value? How to read
Zero.
Zero throw na?
0 to 0. Yes, sir.
Throw first
0.
1.
0 throw first.
Correct.
Yeah. 0 throw First column in the sense this is the value, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You may ask, sir, why that one? Maybe the NumPy is saying like that. No, even if you check with the ChatGPT or any Google also, they are not giving any explanation. To check a correlation, you need to check zeroth row, which column, zeroth row, which column, first column. Zeroth row, first column, then that one representing the correlation. What is the correlation we are getting? What is the correlation we are getting? Positive number. Positive number. So is it a positive correlation or negative correlation?
Positive correlation.
What are the correlation is that? Then this correlation we can call the positive correlation. Fine. Team, execute the code.
Sir,
Here,
for
team,
me,
you may raise the question, team. Sir, 0, 1. How you can tell? In the NumPy also they are not providing the explanation. That's one of the biggest problem of this Python. But if you take Java.NET something, some story will be there. But coming to NumPy itself, they are not providing the proper explanation for the 0, 1. They are saying 0, 1 representing the correlation.
okay. Sir, but when I print complete correlation, it is giving diagonal elements as 0.99, sir.
Okay, I think a laptop to laptop, maybe it will change a scale. But anyhow, that's a positive number of it.
That is positive. 0 point.
Python, math 1.Python. Series space, statistics. Team, once completed, give the confirmation. అందరూ చేయాలంటే ఎవరు కాంప్రమైజ్ కాదు, నో వన్ విల్ కాంప్రమైజ్. డూ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్. కాంప్రమైజ్ కావద్దండి, డోంట్ కాంప్రమైజ్. ప్లీజ్ డూ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్. Once completed, give the confirmation, then I will go for another example. Team, same example, I want to implement with the pandas also. How to import pandas? Import
pandas as
PD. Import pandas as PD. Can I take a variable one? Can I take the variable one? Yes. Can I take variable 2? Respond. Can I take variable 2? Respond, team. Let me take the variable 1 and variable 2. Otherwise, wait here. Otherwise, data equal to what is the key one? What is the key one? Study hours, na? Key one is the study hours. Study hours colon. What are the values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, na? Values are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, comma. What is the key? Marks, na? The key is the marks. What are the values? Values are these are the values are neta. These are the values. These are neta. Team. How to prepare data frame? I want you to prepare a data frame. How to prepare data frame?
DF equal to
DF equal to PD dot
data frame.
Data frame of data, na? Data frame of data. How to find correlation? I want you to find correlation. DF dot what? Correlation. DF dot correlation. Automatically, we're able to find correlation. Now see this one. What's the correlation here? We're getting the 1.0 na. Anyhow, it is showing the 1.0 na. It is showing like 1.0. Then this one we can call the. Then this one we can call the positive correlation. Whatever we have, this one we can call the positive correlation. Fine. Team, I think I don't want you to do one example with the negative correlation. Do one example with the negative correlation. I don't want to explain to you. Do from your end, do one example with the negative correlation.
అన్నా తీసుకురావాలని పిల్లలు
Do one example with the negative correlation also.
Diagonal elements came with negative, sir. Diagonal elements.
What is the output you are getting?
This is the
Okay. Negative value, we are getting the negative values. Remaining people remotely, what you are getting? Remaining people check it. Check the diagonal value.
The diagonal elements we are getting negative, sir.
Once again. Venkat, check that one. How we need to understand that one.
Okay, sir.
And parallelly do one example with the what do you call? Do one example with the negative correlation also. How the people take. We do one example with the negative correlation also. Ignore the diagonal values. What are the diagonal values of?
1.0.
Is it negative correlation? Is it saying negative correlation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Yes, sir. This is -1 is there, no? So negative correlation example that you asked us to write.
You are sending answer for which one?
Negative
Negative
correlation.
Negative, na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Ravindra, is it a negative correlation?
Yes, sir.
I'm
Sir,
thinking like that's a positive correlation. Why we are
No.
okay?
Sir,
Even I
you
got
only
positive only.
Yeah,
sir,
got
you
it.
only asked us to write one negative correlation
Because
case.
myself also I'm getting the minus. Na? I think why negative values are getting there. Okay, fine. Next
No,
one.
sir, no. Okay.
I'm verifying that one.
Yeah, sir.
Team, once done, can I go to the another example? Anil, got any question in the correlation? Hmm? Negative correlation, sir. The laptop to laptop where
With this pandas using data framers, it is always giving same results, sir. Even though if I give negative,
Okay,
always giving 1 1 1 only.
okay. Team, can I go to the another example?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Covariance. One more example I need to tell. Covariance. Correlation, covariance, both are the same. But covariance will tell the strength also. Yeah. For example, I will let you know. Correlation. Both are the same. Both will tell the relationship between two variables now. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Correlation, covariance. Both will tell the relationship between the values. Yes or not? Like a positive correlation, negative correlation, zero correlation, something. Covariance also same thing. But coming to the covariance, it will tell the strength also. Strength in the sense the covariance value equal to 100 or 1000. Some number, it will give some number. Otherwise, it will give some negative number. Otherwise, it will give some negative number also. But correlation always, positive one to positive
Negative.
one to negative one. Yes or not? Correlation always varies from where? Varies from one to,
Due to
Minus 1
negative.
to 1.
but the covariance, it will get the strength also. For example, how you need to understand. Let me say this one. How I need to tell. For example, just to take the medical report. Medical report. In medical report, just like nowadays, like liver function test or some cholesterol test or something is there. Na? For example, triglycerides. Triglycerides or something is there. It's the range should be less than 150, something should be there. But if we test, it will be around 300. Got it or not? It is giving the number or not? Number.
Yes.
So
Yes.
then that one what they call covariance. But correlation won't give the number. Correlation will give 1 to -1 only. But a covariance will give the number also. Got it now? Fine. Next one. Team, can I do the one example?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, team, can I tell the differences between correlation and covariance?
Correlation will give the range from positive to negative, but covariance will give us the
Also,
not only the difference, it will give the value also.
value also. Fine. How to do it? Fine. Covariance. Covariance. Now, how to import NumPy? How to import NumPy? Import NumPy as NP. Import NumPy as NP here. Next one. And another thing. And another thing is the say this one. Here I need to do plus the. Now try to say this one. This is the first one. And here we have the another thing. And here we have another thing. Two things are there. T, is it a positive or a negative?
Positive.
Positive. And how
Positive.
to find covariance? I need to find the covariance. How to find out it?
NP
NP dot covariance. NP dot covariance of two variables we need to pass. How to pass the two variables? Variable one. Next one is the variable two. And it will give result or not?
Yes, sir.
The result or not? What is the result? It will give covariance. Covariance. Now here and what's the position I need to print?
0 1.
Position
0 1.
0 is the position.
First.
First value. 0 is the position and the first value. Yes. What is the answer?
2.5.
2.5. No?
Yes, sir.
It is showing here, just executed. A team, you may ask, sir, what is the exact meaning of 2.5? We can't see it while learning machine learning. You can see it. The covariance value provided by the machine learning itself. We need to compare this value with the model value. Got it now? But at present, know the value, but we can't compare with any other thing.
Sir, here one parameter should be marks also, actually, sir.
Wrong,
But
it's
both.
wrong. It's wrong. Marks.
That's what I am getting 50.0, sir. Right.
Got it. 50. I'm getting the different questions again. I think I don't know how to answer the questions also. But from the past 2 days, I was getting the BP like anything here. Then question number 10. Just to go to the another thing here. Fine. Team, is it giving strength value?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Strength value. Team, in the future, this strength value, we need to compare with the machine learning model. Machine learning model value. Fine. Next one. Team, and one more example we need to do it. And let me do the similar kind of example. We need to do with the negative also. Negative also. How to import pandas? How to
Import
import
pandas
pandas?
as
Import
PD.
pandas as PD. And how to take the data frame? Is it a data frame? Yes or not? This is the data or not? This is the
Yes.
data.
Yes, sir.
This is the data here. And how to prepare a data frame?
PD dot.
PD dot data frame na? PD dot data frame. And how to find for covariance? DF dot what?
Covariance.
DF dot
COEV.
we need to do the COV. COV automatically we're able to find out the covariance. Got it now? All are positive now.
Yes, sir.
All are positive. It is giving the strength also. Correlation giving only range -1 to +1. Covariance will give the strength also. Fine. Do the one example with the negative covariance also.
Here we get negative values as similar. PD.
No. Do it team later in our later. Maybe we may not execute this kind of code later because these things are not important also. We may not execute in the future also. So that's why I'm asking you, please execute now. All the people team, please do the don't do the copy paste also team, just to do the typing because maybe in the future we may not execute the code. So that's why I'm asking you. Anyone completed?
Mm.
Negative covariance also do it. Now we have what we completed. We completed about correlation.
Correlation and covariance.
Covariance. Friday we completed that. Next one logarithm.
Logarithm.
Mean,
Mean, mode,
variance,
median,
mode,
variance, range,
range.
deviation, standard deviation.
Exactly. Priya done. Sajada. Hussein are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Dinesh, Maithili, Venkata, all the people. Can I go to another example?
So,
Yeah. Distribution. No, I will let you know what is the distribution. For example, uh, just to take the students also, very less students scores the less marks or not. For example, say this one. In our BTech also, just take the BTech or dangerous BTech. 100 students are there. Don't go for the negative example. Let me go for the positive example. In 100 example, assume here 10 students will score very less marks. Very less marks. And 80 student, not 80, I can say 90 students also. They will score average marks or not. Yes or no? Like
Yes.
safe zone or not. Safe zone. They will score the average marks. And 10 students, they will score high marks or not. High level marks or not. Yes or not. Now, this kind of distribution we can call normal distribution. Out of 100 students, how many students scored very less marks? 10
10.
students. 10
10.
students. And majority of the students are in the safe zone or not. For example, if the in the BTech team, pass marks are the 40. Yes or not? Almost all 90 students. 90 students, they will score like a, they will score like a 41, 40, exact 40, 42. Yes, a safe zone or not, especially BTech colleges, safe. And another thing, very 10 students, 10 or below 10, the students will score very high level marks or not. Yes or not. This kind of distribution in machine learning, we can call normal distribution. In machine learning, what do you call? Normal distribution. Got it or not? Fine. Now, can we do one example? Let me go to one example. Here I need to put one example. Now, these kind of shape also, team, these kind of shape also, technically we can call bell shape. Technically, what do you call? Technically, we can call the bell shape. Bell shape. Let me go through the Google. Let me check it again. Normal distribution. Distribution in statistics. If you check this one. Yes, if you check this one. If you check this one, uh, like I say this one, majority of the students are between 25 to respond between 25 to 35 na?
35 minutes.
Between 25 to 35. Like I think if you are able to understand the graph, well and good. Otherwise, just remember the graph, just to take your class to. Very less students scores less marks. 90% of the students, majority of the students are in the safe zone. Only some kids are there, study kids. That kids only they will score the high marks. Then those kind of distribution in a statistics, technically we can call normal distribution. What is the shape of it? What is the shape of it?
Bell
Bell.
shape.
Mountain.
So we can call the bell shape. Okay, fine. How to create it? I need you to create it. Team, let me know how to download Matplotlib. How to download
Import.
Matplotlib?
Pip install.
Install, pip install Matplotlib. Pip
Yes.
install Matplotlib also. Automatically, we're able to install the Matplotlib also. Please install it. I'm requesting you people, please install the Matplotlib also. వచ్చింది covariance వచ్చింది. Priya, how to import numpy? How to
Import.
Import numpy as np.
import numpy as np. Yes or not? How to import matplotlib? Import
Matplotlib,
import
pyplot,
import matplotlib the pyplot na
Pyplot.
pyplot as pyplot as what?
yeah,
Here not
PLT.
matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Yes or not? D, we need the random numbers na. We need some random numbers or not? We need some random numbers. How to create the random numbers? np dot random or not? Yes or not? np dot random. It is used to create the random numbers. Got it or not? And I need to develop the just normal numbers. Normal numbers in the sense what? 0, 1, 2, 3 positive numbers I need to generate. I don't want to go for the negative numbers here. Next one, say this one here, LOC. LOC equal to 60. One. Venkat say this one. Mohit say this one. What is the value we have? LOC equal to 50 now.
Yes, sir.
L 50. 50 in the sense it will generate the random number or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The random number. So around 60, for example, it will generate 58. 58. Is it close to 60?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Next one. It will generate 59. Is it close to 60?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It will generate 60. It will generate what? It will generate 61 also. It will generate what? 62 also. Whatever the random numbers it is generating, that random numbers close to the
60.
60. Yes or not? Fine. For example, did you remember standard deviation?
Yes, sir.
Standard deviation.
Yes, sir.
Whatever the random numbers are generated, that a standard deviation should not cross. Say this one should not cross 10. Whatever the random numbers are generated, what are the random numbers are generated? What are the random numbers are generated here? It should never cross the standard deviation. Never cross the 10. And how many numbers you people wanted to generate here? I need to generate the numbers equal to. Can I generate the 100 numbers? Respond. How many numbers I need to generate? 100 numbers I need to generate here. Then team, please explain the code here. This is which library?
Numpy.
Answer. This
Numpy.
is numpy. How to generate the random numbers?
And
Random.
random.
How to generate the real numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. Some real numbers are there. How to generate it normal. Fun. Whatever the numbers you are generating, that numbers close to the what?
60.
Whatever the numbers are generated, the standard deviation should not cross 10.
10.
The standard deviation should not cross the 10. How many random numbers you people wanted to generate? 100. Now catch the data. We should be in a position we need to catch the data. Can I print for our satisfaction? Print the data. Print what we need to print the data. And execute the code. How to execute the code? Python, math1. Yes, see this one thing. Some numbers are some out of range numbers also there. Na?
79 also, 80 also.
79, 84 also there.
Hmm.
But maybe even the 84, maybe if we calculate standard deviation, I hope it may not cross the 10. So that's why maybe in our laptop team, it may give what different numbers. So check your laptop. Check our
My
laptop.
laptop 79.5 is the highest.
Because a laptop to laptop, these numbers also will vary. No error. Let me see this one. This is which library?
Numpy.
Numpy. How to generate the random numbers?
np.random.
Random. Whatever the numbers are generated, these numbers should frame the bell shape. Got it or not? Should frame the bell shape. To generate a bell shape, then we have the one predefined function. What is the predefined function? What is the predefined function? Normal function. There is a point. I missed that point. Next one. And another thing. whatever the numbers it will generate, those numbers are close to 60. Those standard deviation should not cross the 10. Those standard deviation should not cross the 10. And how many numbers you people wanted to generate?
100.
How many numbers you people wanted to generate? 100 numbers.
100.
Type the code along with me, team. And do you know histoplotter? Anyone remember the histoplotter?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. How to draw the histoplotter? Plotter dot.
PLT dot his dot is
Plotter dot.
yes. Then x-axis.
Make it as just a 20 number, sir. For our easiness, sir. Then go to the histoplotter. And what we need to do pass data na?
Yes, sir.
Correct, sir.
And here we need to pass the data. And number of bins equal to can I form like just 3 bins, sir? 3 bins, random numbers, right? 3 or 4 we need to place it. And how to show the title?
Plot dot
How to show the title team? Plot dot
PLT
title.
dot
Plot dot title. Plot dot title. Plot dot title. Which title we need to place? Normal
Normal
distribution.
distribution.
Normal distribution. Next one. How to specify x-axis? How to
Dot
specify
dot.
x-axis? X label. X
Yes.
label. X label equal to what we need to specify? Marks. Marks.
Yes.
How to specify y label? How to specify y label? Plot
Plot dot
y
y.
plot y label. And here what we need to replace? Frequency. Frequency. How to show the graph?
Plot dot
Dot
show.
show.
How to show the graph? Plot dot which one we need to do pass? Show. Plot dot show automatically we're able to show the graph. Yes, maybe we got like this. We still spend some time to how to analyze that graph. I think finally this graph representing majority of the students will get the closer marks. Majority of the students they will get the closer marks. So that's the point it will tell it. Tell the 3 terminals second care. What is the first terminals we done? Respond anyone. What is the first one? Correlation.
Sir.
Answer. What is the first one we done? Correlation.
Correlation.
What is the second one we done?
Covariance.
Covariance. Who will tell the strength?
Covariance.
Covariance.
Who will tell the positive or negative number?
Covariance.
Covariance. Covariance. And another thing, the distribution of data. The distribution of data, technically, what do you call normal distribution?
Yes, sir.
This is the distribution of data. The distribution of data we can call the normal distribution. Team execute it and show the result. And the team just to do the hard work from your end also, little bit hard work team. Just analyze the result, just for the interview purpose team, not more than that one.
Sir, did this graph also random?
Random. Because based on the random numbers, we'll get the random graph. Yeah, person to person, the graph will vary, person to person, because we are generating the random numbers now.
Yes, sir.
Once I don't give the confirmation, then I will go for another example.
Sure.
Yeah. T. Let me go to another example. Can I go to the one more example? One
Yes.
more. Frequently, we are listening one word, then that word we can call the bias. Frequently. Frequently, we are using one word here, then that word we can call the bias. What is bias? Say this one. For example, student one is there. Teacher predicted 60 marks, but student got 80 marks. Yes or not? Teacher predicted how many marks? 60 marks, but student scored how many marks?
80.
8 marks. Student took, coming to the student took, teacher predicted 70 marks, but student secured how many marks?
50.
Student, teacher predicted how many marks?
70.
Student predicted, a teacher predicted just 50 marks, but student got how many marks? 70 marks or not? 70 marks. And coming to the student 3, teacher predicted 70 marks. Teacher guessing this student will get the 70 marks, but student got how many marks? Actual marks are 90. But large difference is there now. Prediction is these are the predicted values, guessing values. These are the guessing values, but these are the actual values or not? These are the actual values, guessing values, and these are the actual values. Yes, sir. More difference is there now. Respond. More difference is there. If more difference is there, then that one we can call the high bias. Got it or not? Then this one we can call the high bias. Just like in the schools also, school or colleges also, the HOD will tell. In my out of 60 members, HOD will tell. Out of 60 members, 40 members will pass. 40 members will pass. The HOD giving that statement. But in the result, 59 members are passed. So more number of people are passed or not?
Yes.
More number of people are passed. Then this one we can call the high bias. Okay, team. Can you tell one example for the same thing, team? For example, just to take the ChatGPT team. Let me take the ChatGPT. One. In the ChatGPT, ask the ChatGPT, generate values between 1 to 10. Ask like this. But unfortunately, after the class test it. ChatGPT won't create. ChatGPT will create like a 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and once again it will give the it will give the 10. ChatGPT missing the value or not? Yes or not? As a developer, we are thinking like what? 1 to 10 or not? But ChatGPT giving what? ChatGPT giving one number
Missed.
or not? 1 or 2 numbers missed. Then this kind of thing we can call the high bias. ChatGPT giving this kind of error strip. Check that fun. Team, what is the low bias? Teacher guessing, coming to the teacher. Teacher guessing 70 marks, but a student got 71 marks. Teacher guessing 80 marks, but student got it 81 marks.
No bias.
Teacher guessing 90 marks. Teacher guessing 90 marks here, but a student secured 89 marks. So the guessing is correct or not? The guessing is correct. Then this kind of thing, what do you call?
No bias.
Respond. This kind of thing, what do you call? This kind of thing, technically we can call the low bias. Team, in the machine learning, are we expecting high bias or low bias? Respond. In the upcoming classes, we're expecting high bias or low bias? Low bias. Low bias we're expecting. Yes or not? Fun.
Yes.
And let me do the one example, team. I need to do one example. One simple example, we need to do it. For example, here, can I take the actual values? Can I take the actual values? Actual values. What are the actual values we need to take? 80 marks. Next one, 70 marks. Next one is the 90 marks. As a random values I'm taking, team. Next one, can I take the teacher predicted values? Teacher predicted values. What are the predicted values? 60 marks. Next one is the 50 marks. Next one is the, what is the another thing? 70 marks. These are the actual marks scored by the students. These are the predicted marks. Is it a high bias or low bias?
Low bias.
High bias or not? High bias. Fun. How to calculate the bias type? I need you to calculate the bias. How we need you to calculate here? Sum of predicted. Sum of predicted. Ravindra, can you tell what's the sum of predicted? 60 plus
60
50
plus
plus
50, 110, 180, sir.
180 na?
By 3.
180 by 3 na? Okay, fine. Sum of predicted by one second.
Length of
Predicted.
Length of predicted.
Predicted.
Sum of predicted by length of predicted minus sum of
Actual.
actual na sum of actual by
By
what?
length of actual.
Length of actual. And team somewhere else in the notepad or somewhere else write the formula. Write the formula. And another thing, print the bias value. How to print it? Print bias. Is minus 20 now. What's the answer we are getting here? Minus 20. So the meaning is the negative value in the sense the no relationship between teacher guessing and student marks are negative. Negative in the sense we can say that's a high bias. And do one example with the low bias also. And I'm requesting you people do one example with the low bias also.
minus 0.33.
Minus 0.3 na?
Minus 1.0.
Point 0. Okay. 0.3 na? But why in my laptop I got the 20? You are saying the negative prediction na? Negative bias na?
Low bias, sir.
Low biased.
Okay. Team, how many calculations we done today? First one, correlation.
Correlation, covariance.
Covariance.
Next one, normal distribution.
Yes, sir.
Next one, bias. Team, I will let you know the one more example. And the last example, like a error team. Error. What is the error? The difference between actual value and the predicted value. The difference between actual value and the predicted value. Technically, what do you call? The difference between actual value and the predicted value. Technically, we can call the error. And team, this is the comparison team. This is the comparison. Based on the value, I will tell is it a high bias or low bias. But what is the actual error? Say this one. 80 minus 60. 80 minus 60.
20.
That is the error. I'm not talking about the bias. Bias in the sense there is a high bias. And error in the sense what is the exact value? 20 is the exact value or not? 20 is the exact value. While working with the machine learning, what kind of bias we're expecting?
High bias.
High
Sorry,
bias.
low bias. Low bias.
Low bias we're expecting. Error. Are we expecting less error?
Yes.
Yes or not? We are expecting the less error. While working with the machine learning, we are expecting the less error. We are not expecting the high error. So low bias, low error. Got it or not? If the bias is low, error also automatically
Low.
Low.
low. Error also automatically low. Fine. So what is formula for the error? What's the
Actual
formula?
minus
value
predicted.
minus
Actual value
predicted
minus
value.
predicted.
Yeah, say this one. For example, I wanted to take the two values. So this is the value one. This is the value one. Next one is this is the value two. Team, how to read the value by value? How to read the value by value? How to read it?
For
Per actual,
actual
comma, predicted.
predicted.
In which function we need to use?
Equals.
Function.
Yes, sir.
Function. Actual, comma,
Predicted.
predicted. Actual, comma, predicted. For the first iteration, A contain
80.
80
80,
and P contain
60,
60.
for the second iteration. A contain
70.
70. P contain
50.
P.
50. Find the difference. How to find the difference? Error equal to tell me. Error
A
equal
A
to
minus P.
P. And how to print the error? How to print the error? Print error. Team, do the hard work from your end also. Just I'm providing the basic knowledge which is related to maths. Just to do the hard work also. And take care. I will take care regarding the water. That fast API again. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, team. 2 days I will cover the fast API with the JWT authentication also. And after completing that one, 16th onwards, I need to go for the LLM and transformers. Whatever it may be, by the end of August, I will complete Generative AI and Agentic AI also. For example, we know input value, technically we can call features. Input value, technically what we call features. For example, how to add the two numbers, num1 and num2 na?
yes, sir.
We need to provide how many numbers we need to provide? Two numbers we need to provide. These two numbers, technically we can call features. Input numbers, always we can call features. Fine. What is the output we are getting? Output is the num1 plus num2 na? Output is the num1 plus num2 na?
Yes, sir.
Output, always we can call the label. Output, what do you call? Label.
Label.
Yes or not? For any program, input we can call
Feature.
Features.
features, one feature, multiple features. Program output, technically what is
Labels.
label.
Label.
Program output, technically we can call the label. Fine. Finally, let me know, are we expecting which bias, low bias or high
No
bias?
bias.
Low bias.
Are we expecting less error or more error?
Less error.
Yes, sir.
Less
Yes,
error.
sir.
What is the normal distribution? Majority of the values are closer to the mean or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Majority of the values are closer to the mean. That is called as what? Normal distribution. What is the shape of normal distribution?
Well,
And who will tell the strength also? Covariance.
covariance.
Who
Covariance.
will tell? Well, just or positive or negative?
Correlation.
Correlation.
Correlation. What is the range of correlation?
1 to 1.
Minus one to
Minus
one.
1 to 1.
Minus 1 to 1.
-1 to 1. Then that one we can call the correlation. And who will tell the strength? Covariance.
Covariance.
Yes.
It's also next one, normal distribution. Next one is the bias. Next one is the error. And the input values, technically what do you call?
Feature.
Features.
Features.
And the output value, technically what do you call?
Labels.
Labels.
Label. Then call the table values, the labels. Then team, did we cover at least 10 terminologies?
Yes.
What we covered?
Mean,
What we covered?
Deviation.
variance,
What we covered?
standard deviation,
Standard deviation.
Next one, what we covered? Range.
range,
Range.
What we covered? Median.
Median.
mode,
Covered mode.
Mode.
Mode also we covered. Next one, what
determinant,
Determinant.
determinant. Next one, what we covered?
logarithms,
Next one, what we covered?
correlation,
Correlation.
Covariation.
covariance,
Next,
normal distribution,
Normal distribution.
bias, error,
Error.
features, label. Team, can you please maintain your personal notes also regarding this one? Please maintain our personal notes. Then team, how to commit the code? How to
Git,
commit the code?
add
Git,
space dot.
how to commit
Git
it?
commit hyphen m.
Git commit.
Git commit -m. Git commit -m statistics. Statistics completed. And how to push it?
Git push.
Git push.
Okay, automatically variable to question. Make sure then DB should be ready into your laptop. Take MySQL DB. All the people, I'm requesting all the people, please make sure MySQL DB ready into your laptop. Then I will show the JWT authentication, CA/CD pipeline. So tomorrow, day after tomorrow, team. Even though time taking, let me take the little bit high time. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, 2 days I need to complete the that fast API again here. Please make sure your laptop should contain the MySQL. Never say, sir, I don't know how to install it. Even if you don't know, take the ChatGPT support or a Cloud support something. Please install it. Okay, na? Don't forget the password also. You people should know the password also. Okay, na? Right. Thank you, team. And tomorrow we need to meet again. Bye. Any questions, team? Anyone?
Sir,
Hmm.
on Friday, I have raised a doubt regarding variance.
I didn't check it. I will check it out.
Okay, sir.
Any questions, team? Anyone? No question, na?
No,
No,
sir.
No, sir. All
Thank
good.
you.
Thanks.
Almost.